issues.
So guys, I forgot your name. Yinsi,
Jinsi,
Jensi,
Jinsi,
and,
Thomas.
and Thomas. I did a video before with them with the oxtail, and she made a comment that I asked her if they do it in China. Can you tell us again about? And then they had a second plate. They're gonna try they tried the brown stew, but first I want them to comment on the first video that never came out correctly, so we're doing it again. So Jensi, what did you say
Yeah.
about the oxtail?
The oxtail was amazing.
Thank you.
很好吃 in Chinese.
And they say chi
很好吃.
in how to in Chinese amazing. And you say you make it the same way in China?
Similar.
Similar. So
Not the
guys,
same, but
quite similar. And you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Guys, she was tearing it up and she wouldn't allow Thomas. She was like a guard over that. Thomas had to stay far.
Yeah, just to have
Just
a few pieces.
you just have a little few pieces. So now they tried the brown stew. I just made them brown stew chicken. What do you think about the brown stew?
Wow, delicious brown stew.
Yeah, very excellent. Yeah.
So
I think maybe I'm not sure. Maybe I kind of like this one.
yes,
than the oxtail.
he might like this more than the oxtail because you know why? Because he didn't get a chance to get
Yeah,
much
me
of the
too.
oxtail. So she got it all. So guys, dig in, enjoy. Again, this
you.
is the brown stew chicken, guys. Look, brown stew chicken, original, authentic Jamaican food. Comes with rice, some peas, plantains, and a salad, and what we call cabbage in Jamaica, which is steamed cabbage. Jency and Thomas, thank you very much.
Thanks.
You guys enjoy your vacation. Thanks for your support. Boom shakata.